Why you need thousands of indicators and why you need to buy expensive trading softwares? Not at all required. Join me. I challenge myself to scan the stocks very quickly and without indicators in Tradingview. That is free. No need to pay anything. So let's begin. Hello my dear traders, welcome back to another episode. Today we are discussing about how to scan the stocks in the easiest method. For this we need a required Tradingview software. Maybe I have installed the Tradingview in my mobiles and I have logged into the Tradingview with my Gmail account. Whatever you are comfortable, you just log in. It is completely free, no need to pay anything. Just add a Tradingview and create a watch list. Maybe if you don't know how to create a watch list, maybe I will create one more video. Just watch that. You can see how to create a watch list in the Tradingview. But for now, how I am quickly analyzing the trades, basically the stocks. Suppose if you want to trade 150 stocks, you want to scan through the all 150. Is it possible or not? Let me show you my screen on how I'm doing. This is the Tradingview software. You can see here in the bottom, the watch list, chart, and all. For now, I am using the these are all the watch list. I have in trade. These are all my trades. This is my watch list basically. You can see this watch list, all what are the stocks I am tracking, and there is a in my zone, like this basically. But for now, how to scan quickly these trades is like you can see here. I'm going to the watch list now. When I click the IT sector, this is the first screen. It will come in the Tradingview. Here it will show the stock is index or stock is going up or going down. But now there are the time periods: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. Generally I use the 1 year. So you select it for 1 year. Now it is selected for 1 year, and you can see the stock basically. It is going up. Clearly it is showing already it is down, then it is going up. So this way the stock I can able to identify, stock or index, the trend is I can able to identify it is going up or not. You can see here like this. So you can see this is the one more mid cap index. This is the Nifty futures. It's completely going up. You can see the N patterns. So if you have the N patterns, you can able to easily identify. So this is the Nifty 50 index. Anytime, if you want to go back, simply go back and start with the the stocks. Like you can select it here. This is the cement stock. Yes, it is an uptrend. This is the Adani Enterprises. Yes, it is going up now. So you can easily trade. Whenever you want to enter it, and quickly below here. You can give the stop loss. So this is Tata Motors. Still Tata Motors is in downtrend. So I will not enter. There is no proper yen. Still I'm waiting for a big yen. So once it get the big yen, then I will able to trade it. So see the how it's moved. It's already down. It's went up. I have already entered around this place. You can see the red mark. Here I have entered. And I put tight stop loss below that. And it went like a rocket basically. So this is the way you can easily quickly scan the stocks. Bajaj Finance, yes, it's going like a rocket. So Tata Tech Mahindra, Lupin, see, you can see the Lupin. It is completely downtrend. So where you can able to enter? No. So even if you enter, it will hit the stop loss basically. So make sure you properly calculate the stop loss, and calculate your risk position for each trade when you are calculating basically when you are entering the trade. So this is the most important. In every video I'm talking about calculating the risk, calculating the your stop loss, calculating your risk positions is a very key point. Okay, that is the only one thing you can able to control it. So other things we cannot able to control. If it is going up, it will go up. It will go up, it will go down. I don't know. HDFC Bank, now it is going up. Yes, completely you can see. Aramsa it is going up. So you can see here, okay, you can see here in the red mark, okay. So I don't know till this point it will go down, okay. So but it came and it went down. Even if I enter a stock here with no loss, no profit, I can able to enter. But I have entered here actually. Using this simple chart only I have entered. Really you cannot able to believe. Simple chart, HDFC Bank I have entered, okay, this point, okay, after 2 ends break point, and my stop loss is below this, below this point, okay, then it went like a rocket actually. So this is the way you can quickly scan your stocks, okay, using the Tradingview. It is a free, there is no indicators, is a completely simple price action, there is no indicators, no full charts, okay, no time. Simply you open, even if you are in the travel, simply open, scan all the stocks wherever you go, suppose this is the good stock. If it's a break this pattern, okay, break above this line, then okay, you can go for enter and put the below stop loss basically and wait for that. So it's very simple. You calculated your risk. Simple. If you lose the 2,000, fine. 5,000, fine. 10k, 50k, 1 lakh. Based on your capital, you identify the risk basically. This is the way you can able to easily, quickly you can analyze the stocks. Okay, this is a very good scanner. I love this scanner. Even if I am in travel, okay, I will simply open like this and I will always see, because you can see the Kotak Bank how it went like a rocket. So this is the, even you can trail your stop loss also. Okay, after if you enter here, okay, if you enter here, then okay, this is your stop loss. Again it came N. This is your trailing stop loss. What is the trailing stop loss? Maybe I will explain in some other videos. Here is the trailing stop loss. Once you came here, it is executed, is exit, but you are in a very good profit. Okay. Now again you can enter here. So that way it can easily, no need any thousands of indicators. Okay. One simple lines is important, but make sure you need to select this 1 year. Okay, I will always use this 1 year for little longer period. So if you want very shorter period, you can use 1 month or kind of things, but I will always use 1 year for longer period. Longer period means 1 year, more than 1 year plus actually. So thanks. Okay, this is the way you can able to scan your stocks. Okay, very simple. You go here in the watch list, select the watch list. Okay, just click the Nasdaq. Okay, if you want to see the Nasdaq is going up or not, it will show. Then just scroll it. Okay, so this is the only way, easiest way you can able to quickly scan. Okay, this is the gold. You can see the gold, how the price is going up. There is no downtrend at all. Okay, from August onwards, last year August onwards, there is no downtrend for gold. So simplest way you can able to quickly analyze the stocks. Okay. So now you know how to scan very quickly the stocks and how to enter the stock, how to stop loss, how to calculate the risk. So everything maybe you know. Now going onwards, okay, when you want to scan quickly, you can use this method. Okay, and they're really useful basically. Thank you so much for listening, and please comment below, okay, what you want, okay, from the Tradingview, or is there any strategy you want? Okay, please follow my pages. Okay, Instagram and YouTube pages. A lot of videos, content I'm posting. So maybe the live videos, okay, also I'm scheduling. Okay, next couple of days. Okay, please follow me, and thank you so much.